Today I'm reviewing this smart Wi-Fi indoor sprinkler controller. It can go in a couple of different indoor locations, and depending on your wiring, it can be easy or slightly difficult to get onto the wall. We installed a plate behind this and put some screws in it, and then there are two little hole spots and it sits on top of the plate. You first want to install the Wi-Fi app. I used Jinvu Smart in order to get this whole thing set up. Holding the up button for 5 seconds, every single zone will turn on. And holding the down button for 5 seconds, every single zone will turn off. All right, let's see how it works by turning it on manually. So you're gonna quickly press the up or down button. And right after you do that, you're gonna start seeing it light up, and then you can hit up or down in order to move through. Once the selected one is lit, which I'm gonna get 2 lit up, you'll press the select button and, well, it'll work. So let's see it work. 1 is blinking. I'm gonna press down so I can go to 2. I'm gonna push select, and now I'm gonna go to zone 2. And here it is. So we're gonna turn it off. Come over here, you'll see the zones that are on are lit. Press the up button. You're gonna get the blinking again. So I'm gonna go over so that zone 2 is blinking. I'm gonna press select and you'll see the lights off, and I'm coming over here and I see the whole system is now off.